Told you to take it down, didn't I?
Well, good morning, guys. I guess at this point in the last video, I kind of committed to having the inside of this van prepped and ready to go so we could get all the cabinetry painted. Seems doable, but it's quite a bit of work. So I'm out here even before the sun's peaked, and we're just gonna get started a little early. We have plenty of time to get this done, so you guys have a video on Sunday. We're in full cabinet mode. So we've got our two back seating areas and a cabinet on the right. And then today primarily I'm gonna be working on the overhead cabinets in the two spots. So I was just mocking up our cabinets here over the walkway. I'll have a stock light and a little cabinet. But then I was thinking I was gonna get all these cabinets done and then put the ceiling in. I don't know why I was thinking that. Like I was gonna build the ceiling around it. It just goes to show you, even with a well thought out plan, you get astray and lose track of what you're actually supposed to be doing. So let me sidetrack, and we're gonna start working on this ceiling up here, and then we can fit our upper cabinets to it. So here we go on that.
Pretty much perfect. Can you take it back out and start again?
No. It's not perfect.
Okay, so you cut this like square?
Yeah, this was a full 8-foot sheet, and then I had to cut this one to...
Hold it.
Oh my god. I literally have a corner. What are you talking about? Hold it.
Well, I'm trying to show this gap here.
Okay, well, go back. Go back. Hold. Okay. There. Now you can go forward and show the gap.
Alright. Alright, we got another gap situation going on. Okay. That was rough. It was like wrestling alligators.
Are you ready to begin now?
I guess so. You could have been doing that this whole time.
What?
While I was wrestling.
Are you ready to go?
Yeah. What are you doing?
Don't worry about it. Pinch your fingers. You don't want to bloody knuckle too?
Ow!
Sorry.
God, Brad. You literally just said don't pinch your finger, and then you pinch my finger. Jackass.
You said don't pinch your finger.
And yet you still did.
Well, sorry. How does it feel?
It fucking hurts. This one too.
Where?
Right here.
That one? Titty baby.
It really hurts.
Does it hurt like that?
Yes, it feels just like that. You ripped all the skin off.
so it's like that.
You know what? It's not my fault you weren't wearing gloves.
Probably true. Don't let go.
I can't. I'm losing it.
Don't let go.
Honey, please stay this.
Don't. Funny thing is I meant to.
Can you take this and I'll screw?
I don't want you to screw.
Oh my god.
Seriously.
You have no idea how much my arms hurt.
That was much my arms hurt.
No.
I worked out for the first time the other day.
Oh my god, where?
Get your arms back up there. Wansicle. Hey, there's glue all over me. Okay. Try again.
We've been working diligently to get the ceiling up on the roof inside of Vincent, and we've had a few struggles, and let's just call them disagreements. Brad's been planning to get this thing done by the end of May, but I've also been planning a little something myself. We hope you've enjoyed watching us build the interior of Vincent again. Please don't forget to click and subscribe and ring that bell for notifications. I promise you don't want to miss our next adventure. Brad, we
What?
need to go.
Oh. Okay.